Welcome to the DPD Courier Template Integration video. The following video will assist you in the configuration and deployment of the BPA platform DPD integration tasks and the associated staging database. It will act as a companion to the documentation and will highlight aspects of the solution that will require alignment with your own systems. This template is designed to function within a wider integration solution where delivery details are already downloaded into the staging database courier tables from your e-commerce, ERP, or other business systems. It will post the delivery details to the DPD API as shipments, then download the HTML label from DPD based on the shipment ID that is returned. It can then send the downloaded labels to a network printer. You will require BPA Platform 2024, the Microsoft SQL Server Connector tool, Microsoft SQL Server 2016 or above to host the staging database, the Web Service Connector, and your DPD credentials. The BPA platform-related software can be downloaded via the partner area on the Colis Platforms website. To obtain the template assets, please contact your account manager. We will start by generating the staging database. Create an empty database on the database server which the client has elected to host the integration staging database. Then run the provided B2C staging DB v4_4 SQL script file targeting this database. The script will generate the following tables. In the table called tblconfig, you will need the tables to be populated as shown in this example, but with your own values. The carrier ID of 1 represents DPD in the carrier table. The default shipper address is the value in the shipper address table. The labels path is the designated server location, and the printer name is for your printer on your server. The carrier table will define your ID for DPD in the integration. In the shipper address, this table defines your shipper address as the source address for DPD. For this demonstration, we have manually inserted a record into this table. But this data could come from another system as part of a larger integration project. In the delivery table, we can see where the tracking code will be received from the DPD API, and also the delivery label that will be populated after the task has run. Let's open BPA Platform, click the Tasks folder, then click the Import button. The connections must be imported prior to importing the tasks. Navigate to the Assets folder and locate the connection file. And then click Open. This will import the connections we require for this task template. In Tools, Output, let's click the Send Email SMTP tool. A BPA global configuration will have been imported. Select this and click Edit. This will need to be configured to point to your mail server. Then click Test Connection, OK, OK again, and then Close. In Data Connectors, Web Service Connector, select the imported DPD configuration and click Edit. In the Constant tab, you will need to enter your username and password from your DPD API credentials, and then click OK and then Close. Let's open the Microsoft SQL Server Connector and select the imported staging database connection, and click Edit. In the Agent Connection General tab, amend the connection details to your own environment, pointing it to the staging database created earlier. In the SQL Server Connection General node, align this with your own environment, and once completed, click Test Connection. Select the final database node and click Refresh Cache, then OK, Yes, and then OK to close. Ensure the root tasks folder is selected and click Import. Then navigate to the downloaded assets folder. It is important to have imported the connections first, as shown previously. Locate the DPD Courier task file and then click Open. Once the import process has completed, expand the Codeless Platforms Templates folder, and within here, you will see a folder containing 4 tasks. The first is the control task that runs the other tasks in sequence. Navigate to System, Users, and ensure you have a call task user in BPA Platform. Your call task username needs to be entered exactly as shown here. Enter and confirm the password you entered, and make a note of this for the next step. Then click OK to save and close this window. OK, now navigate to Tools, Execute Call Task. Edit the configuration named DPD. Here you will need to enter the call task user and password you created previously. Open the Folder tab, expand the tree, and the DPD folder. You will see the correct, currently selected folder path and the imported tasks. Click OK and OK again to close. The tasks could be configured to run automatically as part of a wider integration project. However, for the purposes of this demonstration, we will right-click and queue the control task. Once this has completed, let's take a look in the staging database. And we can see the tracking number has come from DPD, and also the HTML label has been imported. In the file path we specified earlier, we can see that the label has been produced. In this demonstration, there isn't an attached network printer. However, if you wish to send the label directly to print, we will need to make a quick change in BPA Platform. In the Print Labels task, we will need to open the first step and remove the commenting as shown. Finally, click OK and save the task. And that's it for this video. If you require more details on this installation, please see the accompanying documentation or the tool white papers. If further assistance is required, please contact your account manager. Thanks for watching.